Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Krishna said, that's how you are thinking of the material scientists, they are studying earth. Soul, what is called soil expert. They are studying soil, where is mine, where is gold, where is coal, where is this, that, so many things they are studying. But they do not know where from these things came. Yes, Krishna explained that Bhinna me prakriti, this is my energy. My energy. How these different chemicals and earthly matters become manifested, everyone is inquisitive, any thoughtful man, here is the answer. Here is the answer. That bhamirapana vayu khang mano buddhireva cha ahankara iti agame bhinna prakriti astadha. Bhinna prakriti astadha. Just like I am speaking, it is being recorded. Recorded. But in my absence, if the record is played, it will exactly vibrate the same sound. So that is my energy, or anyone's energy, but bhinna, separated from me. You have to understand like that. So everything is energy of God, Krishna. But this material world means we are missing Krishna. Where from this energy has come, that point we are missing, bhinna. One who knows, just like the same example, in the record, the play is going on, but one who does not know who has recorded this speech, he cannot find out. But one who knows voice, he can understand it is coming from Prabhupada of this family. Similarly, the energy is there, but because we have forgotten the source of the energy, or we do not know the source of the energy, therefore we take material things as final. This is our ignorance. This prakriti, this material world, is composed of these things. Bhumi rapo nalo vayu khangamano buddhireva. So where from this came? That Krishna explains that they are my energies. Because you have to know. So, see, to understand Krishna means one must know what is this earth, what is this water, what is this fire, what is this air, what is this sky, what is this mind, what is this ego, this material thing. They should know that where from these things came. They only theorize that water is combination of some chemical, hydrogen, oxygen. But where from the chemical came? Hydrogen, oxygen. That they cannot answer. So therefore, this is called Achinta Shakti. Achinta Shakti. If you do not apply, if you refuse Achinta Shakti in God, Achinta Shakti, inconceivable energy, then there is no God. Achinta Shakti Sampanna. Now you can understand what is that Achinta Shakti. Achinta Shakti, you have got also. Achinta Shakti. Everyone, because we are part and parcel of God, therefore, minute. We are, what is the ratio? The ratio is, it is said in the Shastra, what is that? Kesagra satabhagasya satadha kulpitasya cha. Jiva bhaga samvidya, savignena, so anantaya kalpata. Kesagra satobhagas. Just giving an idea. What is that? The tip of the hair, just a small full stop. You divide this point into 100 parts. And that one part again divide into 100 parts. That is mean 1/10,000 part of the tip of the hair. That is a full stop line. That is the magnitude of the jiva. Spirit, spiritual spark, molecular parts, atomic parts. So, kesagra satobhagasya satodha kalpitasya cha jiva bhaga savijñaya sa anantaya kalpate. So there is magnitude, but because in the material eyes, we can see simply the gross thing. The subtle things we cannot understand. But from the Shastra, you have to understand. From the Shruti, then you will understand. There is verse in the Bhagavad Gita, Indriyani pararahu, Indriyabha paramana, manasasya paro buddhi. Just like here it is said, mana buddhi, manasasya para buddhi. Finer or superior than the mind is intelligence. That is another place, it is also explained. The gross thing means these senses, Indriyani pararahu. This is gross vision. I see a man, means I see his body, his eyes, his ears, his hands and legs and everything. That is gross vision. But finer than these gross senses, there is mind, which is controlling the senses. That you do not see. Indriyani pararahu, indriyabha parahmana. Then mind is controlled by the intelligence. Manasasya paro buddhi. So you have to study like that. Simply like layman. If you dismiss, there is no God, there is no soul, this is simply rascality. Simply rascality. Don't remain rascals. Here is Bhagavad Gita. Learn everything very particularly, very minutely, and it is open for everyone.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.